One day, Raju went to his bank branch to get his Aadhaar card linked with his bank account.
I want to link my Aadhaar card with my bank account.
Raju submits the required documents.
Please submit the Aadhaar linking form and photocopy of your Aadhaar card. Also, show me your original Aadhaar card. Tell me the OTP you received on your registered mobile number.
I did not get any OTP.
The OTP was sent to your registered mobile number.
But I did not receive any OTP. Can you please check the mobile number linked to my bank account?
Let me check. The mobile number linked to your account is 9825
But this is not my mobile number.
You visited the bank last week.
Last time when I visited the bank to submit my KYC form, a gentleman in the bank helped me fill the form and submitted it for me.
The form you submitted may have his mobile number, and your bank account is linked with that number. He can easily misuse your bank account. You should have checked that form before submitting.
I had no idea about this. I made such a big mistake. What can I do now?
Please submit a form for changing your registered mobile number.
Don't share your confidential details like Aadhaar and bank account details with strangers. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.